Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, How to Remove Password on HP Laptop. So, let's get started. Open the Start menu on your HP laptop and search for Settings, then open it. Inside Settings, click on Accounts to manage your login and account options. From the left side menu, select Sign-in options to view available login methods. Find the Password section and click on it to manage your current password settings. Click the Change button and enter your current password for security verification. When prompted for a new password, leave the new password, confirm password, and password hint fields completely blank. Click Next and then Finish to remove the password from your HP laptop. After completing the process, Windows 10 will sign in automatically without asking for a password on startup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.